What's up guys, how you all doing? Today we're going to put to the test Epic Supplies Fire Assist. It has 30 capsules, each one has magnesium powder. All we need to do is just add a spark. This is what they advertise. And the striker we're going to use is UST. This is just a striker, it does not have a magnesium strip on it. So let's check this out and see how hard it is to start a fire. See if it's actually worth it or not. So we got here Epic Supplies Fire Assist. Let's open it up. There's two cotton balls, also can be used as a fire starters, and there's capsules like that. And what it is a magnesium capsules. Let's open it up and see what they look like inside. Oh yes, look at that. Look how much there is. Wow, that's quite a bit. I'm going to open two of them and put it in here. And here, this is just a striker without the magnesium. So we're going to make a spark and let's see what happens. Kids, do not try this at home. I'm definitely using safety glasses for this. Here you go. Look at this. Whoa, this is insane. It burns for so long. This is crazy. Whoa, maybe one capsule just enough to start a fire. Wow, this is crazy. I actually set the board on fire. Look how long it burns. Next, just put candle on it, just like coconut husk, leaves, dry leaves, whatever that you got over there, and get the fire going. Instead of two capsules, let's just try to do one capsule. This is like the best magnesium I ever seen. Put it in here, in a pile. When I use this, I want to have ready some kindling, some dry leaves, and start a small fire and then bigger, bigger, and bigger. So again, the striker right here. Let's strike one slice. This is the best striker I've seen. Here you go. Wow, look how well it burns. So cool. So bright, this is crazy. Fire Assist. At first I was skeptical, but now I see why it's awesome. Definitely recommend. UST, this is the logo of this company. Definitely recommend this striker as well. So here's my fire starting kit. Definitely thumbs up for me because it's so easy to start fire. With this anybody could do it. But kids, do not play with fire. We unrolled it. You see it's huge, but once you roll it up, it's compact. And it feels like material is not just plastic.